Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G62, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM card and SD card if this phone actually takes it. But I'm not sure, so I'm gonna check it out while I'm recording. Now for this you'll need a little SIM eject tool, which comes provided with the device in the box. And if you can't find it, you could just use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have either the paper clip or the tool, take off a case of your phone if you have one on, and let's locate the tray, which looks to be located on the top left side of the phone. So right over here you'll see a little insert pin, so simply pop in your little tool, push it in, and as you can see the tray pops out, enough for you to take it out, and you do have space for either 2 SIM cards or 1 SIM and 1 SD card. Now if you're planning to use 2 SIM cards, you just place one of them sideways on the SD tray like this, but because I'm using one of each, I'm gonna move it over to its dedicated spot and then grab an SD card and place it on here as well. Now once the cards are laying flush on the tray, you want to pop them back into your phone. There we go. You shouldn't need much force to insert it back into the device, so if you don't want to really go in, just take them out, make sure that one of the cards didn't just get loose and kind of come out, and try again. Anyway, now my SIM card does have a pin, so I need to confirm it. There we go, which will then unlock it. And there we go, so the SIM card is obviously working, and SD card should be working as well. Let's see if we have a notification, and we do. Stop it, there we go. As you can see right here, SD card for transferring photos and media. So it's detecting both of the cards without any problem. So anyway, with this being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.